Welcome to PixCustom Product Customizer, an easy way to let your customers personalize products with their own images and text. Start by installing PixCustom on your Shopify store. You can try it with a 14-day free trial, then choose the plan that works best for your business. For this tutorial, we'll use the Pro plan, which supports multiple images and text on custom-shaped print areas. After reviewing your subscription, click Approve. Add your products. From the Settings page, click Add Products. Search for the products you want to customize or filter them by collection, product type, or tags. Once your products are added, look for the warning icon to see which products still need configuration. Click Configure to set up the product images and printable areas. For our t-shirt, select Product has two sides to configure both the front and back. Rename the side labels if needed, then select the corresponding product image. Next, define the printable area. This is where customers will place their designs. You can resize and reposition the area, then choose from different shapes such as rectangles, circles, and more. Want something more unique? You can even create your own shape using a custom SVG path. For the back of our shirt, we'll use the default rectangle. These settings will automatically apply to all product variants. If a variant needs a different print area, you can override its shape without starting from scratch. Once everything looks good, click Save Configuration. Add PixCustom to your store. From your Shopify theme editor, open App Embeds and turn on PixCustom. You can customize the default labels if needed, then click Save. Now open your product page. Under Product Information, click Add Block, select Apps, and choose PixCustom. You can drag the PixCustom block anywhere you'd like. For this example, we'll place it below the variant picker. You can also customize labels such as Upload Image and Preview. Click Save when you're finished. Next, go to Settings, then Checkout, then Customize. Under Order Summary, click Add Block and select PixCustom Checkout line item. Save your changes. Repeat the same setup for the thank you and order status pages. And that's it! Your PixCustom setup is complete. Now let's see PixCustom from the customer's perspective. On the product page, click Upload your image. This opens the design editor. Click Add Image and upload your file. You can choose Contain or Fill to adjust how the image fits inside the printable area. The guidelines make it easy to see whether your design is fully inside the print area or extending beyond it. To add text, enter your message in the text field and click Add Text. You can add multiple lines, then resize, rotate, and reposition your text. Choose from different fonts and effects, add a background color, adjust its opacity, and align your text exactly how you want it. Once the front is complete, switch to the Back tab and customize the other side. When you're finished, click Preview and Add to Cart. Review your design carefully, check I have reviewed and approve my design, then click Add to Cart. From the cart, customers can preview their designs using the preview links attached to each item. When everything looks good, simply click Checkout. Now let's switch back to the store admin. Go to the Customer Uploads page to view all custom designs associated with your orders. For each order, you'll find preview links for each product side, along with downloadable print-ready images. If an order contains multiple line items, you'll also see a Download All button, allowing you to download all preview and print-ready files at once. You can click the order number to view the complete order details. And that's it! Thanks for watching the PixCustom Product Customizer tutorial.